Don't worry about your attendance. I always
Okay,
take the
sir.
screen.
Sir, please wait. I'm making rectangle.
Yeah.
Sir,
So you
I
all,
made it parallelogram, rhombus, and rectangle.
very good. So complete your rectangle, those who have not completed. And after doing the rectangle, you will do the square. Square. In a square, you know that all the angles are of 90 degrees again, but all the sides are also equal. So this is the difference between a rectangle and a square. In a rectangle, only opposite sides are equal, whereas in a square, all the sides are equal. Okay. Okay, so those who have made the rectangle, I can see some of you showing the rectangles. Very good. Karthik, I've seen yours, and others also. Some of you are showing the rectangles. Very good. Now you do the square, everyone.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Start
sir.
making this. Okay, so those who have made square, they can show me by switching on their videos. I can see Atish has made the square. Very good. Atish, well done. Who else? Nandini has made. Very good, Nandini. Well done. Ayushman. Ayushman. Just a minute. Yes. Ayushman is showing his rectangle and square. Very good. Ayushman, can you show me your rhombus and parallelogram also? Very nice. Great. Rishika is showing her rectangle and square. Very good. Rishika. Nice, neat and clean work. Good. कार्तिक खंडेलवाल मतलब कुछ तुम्हारी कुछ कॉपी में बात है या कुछ और बात है? योर वर्क इज वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन कार्तिक. चक्कर क्या है ये? What is the reason? What is the secret behind it? Can you tell me, Karthik? Where are you? Yes, Karthik. What is the secret behind this neat work?
Sir, no, there is not any. Sir, I have one thing. Sir, there is a Jadui cookbook. Sir, I used to cook in this time.
Acha, there is some magic trick behind
Yes,
it.
sir, cookbook, Jadui cookbook.
Oh, very nice. You tell after the class. You can tell me what is the magic trick behind it. What is the magic mantra you speak before making the figures? Very nice. Okay, who else? Mridul Patel is showing. Mridul, your work is also very neat and clean. Nice. Mridul, where is your microphone? Yes. Mridul, where is your Didi? Is she fine? Is she attending her classes?
Yes, sir.
She is in the school or she is at home?
Sir, she has came from her school.
So she has come
Just
back. Very
15
nice.
minutes.
What are the timings?
Sir, it is 10 to 12:40.
Okay, very good. Argun, very nice. Argun, very good, beta. Nice. Who else? Who else? Who else is showing? Anyone else showing the work? Okay, now let us discuss some properties. Okay, I will be asking you properties and you will have to give me your answers in the chat box. Okay. Give me your answers in the chat box. I will be asking some questions based on the properties. So be very quick in writing your answers in the chat box. Okay, and I will be telling you who was the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. Are you all ready? Yes. Switch on your mic and tell me, are you all ready? I will be asking you questions based on the properties.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Sir, I am not ready.
You will ask.
Sir,
Sir,
wait for
please
1
can you
minute.
repeat? I was disconnected.
Okay, okay. Who is not ready?
Sir, can I show my rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, and square?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, please repeat.
Sir,
Sir, please repeat that what we are going to do.
Will ask some questions and you have to give me the answers in the chat box. Okay. Based
Sir,
on the
please see. Sir,
Yes.
please wait for 1 minute.
Yes.
Sir, they are correct.
Just a minute, beta. Let
Sir,
me
which type of questions you will ask?
let me find your videos. Based on the properties, I will ask questions based on the properties. Where is Abhay? Abhay Rana, yes. Very good, beta. Abhay. Very neat and clean work. Nice. Show me your square. Square दिखाओ जरा पास. Show me your square. Square थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा लग रहा है मुझे. सही है. It's okay. And show me a rhombus. Rhombus and square are looking very similar. Rhombus means the angle should not be 90 degrees. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And show me the parallelogram. Parallelogram is fine. Okay. Lavanya is showing her copy. Lavanya, these are parallelogram and rhombus. Very good. Show me the rectangle. Good. Nice. Now the square. Okay. Very good. Okay, so I am going to ask you some questions. I am.
Sir, sir, wait a 30 seconds, sir. I am making my square.
But till then, you do your work. Don't be in any kind of hurry. You can do your work till then. I am asking you some. You can keep on listening the questions. Okay, Adiraj.
Sir, see.
Okay, now the first question. You have to write your answers in the chat box. Okay. The first question is, which property a rectangle and a square have in common? दोनों में होती है वो property. Which property is common in a rectangle and a square? Give your answer in the chat box. Tell me the property that is common in a rectangle and in a square. Correct answer. Most of you have given the answer correctly. So the first one to give the correct answer is first one to give the correct answer is Mridul Patel. Very good, Mridul. Second is Atiq Singh. Very good. Atiq has also written that all the four angles are of 90 degrees each. The property that is common is all the angles in both the figures are 90 degrees each. You can see the shapes here. This is the rectangle. All the four angles are 90 degrees. And in a square also, all the four angles are 90 degrees each. Okay, so this is the common property. First one is Mridul, second is Atiq, third is Rishika Agarwal, fourth is Abhay Rana, and fifth is Unnati Gangwar. Very good. So these are the top five. These were the top five to give the answers first. And I can see that Hargun has written that both the figures have four sides. This is also correct. Both the figures have four sides. But we are talking about quadrilaterals only, so you don't have to write this type of property. But the proper answer, your answer is correct. Okay, but we will discuss about the main properties. Okay. Okay, next question. Ready, all of you? Okay. You have to write the name of the type of quadrilateral, write the name of the shape in which all angles are 90 degree and all the sides are equal. All angles are right angles and all the sides are equal. Oh my god, the students are so quick. Almost all of you have given the correct answers. In fact, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the answers are correct. All the students have given the correct answers. Very good. एक भी बच्चे का आंसर गलत नहीं है. The correct answer is square. A square has all the four sides equal and all the angles are right angles. Very good. First is Atik Singh. Excellent, Atik. First position. Second position, Hargun. Wonderful. Hargun, congratulations. Third is Ishika Mittal. Fourth is Mridul Patel. Again in top 5. Hargun again in top 5. Rishika Agarwal. Very good. Excellent. Number 5. Rishika. So top 5, Atish, Hargun, Ishika, Mridul, and Rishika. Okay, so these are the top 5. Other than these, others have also given the correct answers. वो भी मैं बता देता हूँ. अभय राणा correct, लावण्या correct, उन्नति correct. उन्नति क्रोम स्क्वायर क्या होता है? अधिराज शर्मा correct. उन्नति ने गलती से क्रोम भी लिख दिया था वहां पर. नंदिनी correct. कार्तिक खंडेलवाल correct. Very good. Adhiraj is ready. Adhiraj, do you want to say something?
Sir, can you see my this?
You're showing something. Wait a minute.
Sir,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Yes, yes. Very good. All the shapes I can see. Parallelogram, rhombus, square, and rectangle. Very good. Okay. Yes, Unnati.
Sir, the Chrome was written there by mistake.
I got it. I got it. समझ गया था मैं. Okay. Next question. Name the figure where opposite sides are equal but the angles are not right angles. Opposite sides are equal but the angles are not right angles. Yes, Unnati.
Sir, have you said that name the figure which have opposite sides equal?
Yes, opposite sides are equal, but
Okay. Sir.
angles are not right angles. Answer is, bata do answer. The answer is parallelogram. The correct answer is parallelogram. First is Nandini Mittal. The first is Nandini Mittal. Excellent. Very quick to answer, Nandini. Second is Ayushman. No. Ayushman has given a wrong answer. Ayushman has given a wrong answer this time. Hargun, your answer is also wrong, beta. Rectangle लिखा है यहाँ पे. Rectangle has right angles. Okay. Second is अभी तक second position कोई नहीं आई है. Second is Atish Singh. Very good. Second. Third, Mridul Patel. Very good. Fourth is Lavanya Bhojwani. And fifth is Unnati Gangwar. Again in top 5. Excellent. इसके बाद है उन्नति के बाद अभय राणा. Adhiraj has said the answer is trapezium, which is wrong. Ishika is asking what is the answer. Ishika, have you got it now? Ishika, where are you? Yes. Ishika?
Yes, sir, I got the answer. Sir, I thought this answer only, but I didn't give it because I was not sure.
You should try. Okay. And then next one to give the correct answer is Rishika Agarwal, then Karthik Khandelwal, then Hargun. Now Hargun has given the correct answer and Ishika has understood. Okay. Next question. Ready? Bacha party ready? Okay. The question is, let me form a question. Let me think of a question related to the properties. Okay, what is the common property between a square and a rhombus? Square और rhombus में common property क्या है? Give me the property. What is the common property of a square and a rhombus? Okay, so I have got lot of answers. First one, the answer, let me tell you the correct answer first of all. The common property in a square and in a rhombus is that both the shapes have all sides equal. In a rhombus also, all the four sides are equal. And in a square also, all the four sides are equal. So this is the common property. First is Rishika Agarwal. Excellent, Rishika. She's on the top spot this time. Second is Ishika Mittal. Rishika and Ishika. 1 and 2. Very good. लड़कियां बहुत डोमिनेट करती हैं इस क्लास में, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. लड़के थोड़ा सा स्लो हैं क्या टाइपिंग में? थर्ड इज अगेन अ गर्ल, नंदिनी मित्तल. वेरी गुड, एक्सलेंट. फोर्थ अगेन अ गर्ल, Hargun. Very good, Hargun. Excellent. Fifth, this time it is again a girl, Unnati Gangwar. That means the top 5 are all girls. इसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग? माइक्स ऑन कर दिए मैंने.
Yes, sir, I'm feeling very good.
But I have written all sides are equal.
Sir, what we will speak? Sir, we will speak not anything.
Yes, what do you have to say something about this? The girls have all the five girls, all the top 5 spots are taken by the girls. Boys, are you slow in typing on mobile phones? Or there is something else? Some other reason is there? अभय बड़ा परेशान है इस बात को लेकर के, टेंशन में आ गया है. कार्तिक खंडेलवाल बहुत टेंशन में इस बात को लेकर के, उसने सोचा कि अब तो कुछ करके दिखाना है मुझे. वेयर इज कार्तिक? हाँ जी कार्तिक, तुम ये वीडियो चला गया क्या? तो मुझे लग रहा मीटिंग छोड़ दी उसने बेचारे, टेंशन के मारे.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, he left.
Other than Unnati, the students who have given the correct answers are Atish, Ayushman, Abhay Rana, Lavanya, इशिका तो पहले ही हो गया. इशिका, कार्तिक. कार्तिक कुछ कह रहा है, रूमर्स. रूमर्स. ओके, मृदुल पटेल, देन रूपांशी, देन इशिका क्या हुआ बेटा? ओ नो क्यों करा आपने?
Sir, you said that the all sides are equal, but I gave another answer. That is why.
Sir, if she gave another answer, so you said
Acha,
her name
sorry.
in the top.
let me see what her answer was. Nahi, Ishika, Acha, I thought you have written all four sides are equal, but you have written they have four sides. मैंने समझा you have written all four sides are equal. So sorry. That means fifth spot now will be taken by Ati. तो एक एक स्पॉट ऊपर चले गए हैं बच्चे. ऋषिका इज फर्स्ट, सेकंड इज नंदिनी, थर्ड इज हरगुन, फोर्थ इज उन्नति एंड फिफ्थ इज अतीक सिंह. चलो एक लड़का कितना रिलैक्स फील कर रहा है. अतीक सपना इतना खुश है येलो टी शर्ट में, घर पे बात भी कर रहा है. Okay, next question, last property. Okay, give me two properties which are not common in a rectangle and in a rhombus. Two properties which are not common in a rectangle and in a rhombus. मतलब two differences you have to tell. Two differences between a rectangle and a rhombus. So I will announce
Sir,
the
I had written. Sir, I had written separate.
okay. I will announce the names, but first of all, you all tell me, was this activity helpful in understanding the properties or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It was very helpful.
Yes, sir.
The activity that we did today was helpful in understanding the properties of quadrilaters, which is also
Yes,
very
sir.
useful for your higher classes. These properties are very, very useful for your higher classes. Okay, so always
Yes,
keep
sir.
these
Sir, and it
properties.
was interesting also.
Okay, nice.
Last question was first.
Okay, the answer is first of all, the first difference between a rectangle and a square is that rectangle has all four angles, right angles, whereas in a rhombus, the angles are not right angles. This is the first difference. Second difference is in a rectangle, the sides are of different length, whereas matlab opposites, only the opposite sides are equal, whereas in a rhombus, all the four sides are equal. These are the two differences.
I have written property like they do not have equal sides.
I think I should not rate you all in on this question because it was a little lengthy. तो हो सकता है किसी बच्चे ने आंसर पहले दे दिया बाद में दे दिया. So in my view, you all are winner. So you all can clap for the last question for yourself.
Thank you, sir. Sir, but second difference, I had written that they are parallel.
दोनों में होते हैं.
Second
Sir, I think
angle, but not rectangle.
Okay, listen to me. This property that opposite sides are parallel, this is a common property. दोनों में होती है. This is not a difference. This is a similarity. Opposite sides are parallel in both the cases. यहाँ पर भी, यहाँ पर भी. But difference is in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, whereas in a rhombus, all the four sides are equal. Okay. So that's it for today. All of you, we will meet now on Monday. Bye bye.
thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Wait. Don't leave. Listen to me. Just a minute. You all have to post the pictures of your activity in the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same to